Welcome back to Indian Cyber Army. I am WebDragon63, the creator of the W.E.A.P.O.N Framework, and today in this Red Team demo, we'll test a beacon payload generated by the W.E.A.P.O.N Framework inside a temporary cloud-based Windows RDP lab. Before starting the video, let's give a disclaimer. This video is for cybersecurity education and Red Team research only. All environments used are temporary, self-deployed, and under full control of the author. No unauthorized access or exploitation is performed. Today we just checked the beacon module of this tool. At first we just get cloning the URL. Now just changing directory to that repository. For installing these Python dependencies, we just creating a virtual environment. And let's activate that environment. And now we just installing all dependencies of the tool using pip. Now just running the tool. From the category section, we just select the beacon category, and from the module, just selecting a Python stageless beacon for Windows. If we run the module, then we got the usage options to operate this module. At first, let's change the default stager key from the config to PY. Now our stager key is successfully get changed. Now let's create a stageless beacon for Windows in Python. For the demo, we are using the interval time of 2 seconds. The beacon interval is the time delay between each check in a beacon makes to its command and control server to receive or report tasks. And now using key option, we just defining the stager key. For that, just copy and paste the stager key using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V over the key option. For now, we just skipping the obfuscate option for simplicity. At the next video, we will discuss about that. Now we are demonstrating beacon over the internet, so port forwarding is must for the server address. So we are just enabling the Telebit service for port forwarding. If you don't know that how to install Telebit, then watch the video over the I button. Now just see the port from config to PY to forward it over the Telebit. You see the default port is 8080. So let's forward it over the Telebit service on HTTP. Now let's copy the server address and paste it over the W.E.A.P.O.N Framework. Now let's simply run the module. Our beacon has been successfully built. Let's see it. Here is our Python stageless beacon. Now for the demo purpose, we are just copy-pasting the Python beacon over our testing machine. And renaming it as a beacon.py. Now just simply launching the team server and executing the beacon. Selecting the beacon. Now we have successfully got the shell of our victim machine. We can now execute any command through it. Let's have a look to the available commands list. Now let's see the demo. First, we are executing the ls command. You see, it has listed all contents of the System32 directory. Now let's go to the desktop to perform some interesting stuff. Now let's upload something from our machine to our victim machine. Let's upload this readme.md file. You see it has successfully get uploaded. Now let's change the .md extension to the .txt. And one thing, for every shell command execution you need to use task command to execute it. You see it has successfully changed the extension of that file. Now let's create a txt file manually over the victim machine. Now let's download it to our system. In the weapon download folder, it has been successfully get downloaded. So, this is the practical demonstration for today. The next demonstration will be on the obfuscation process, which can evade the latest defender. So if you want that demonstration very soon, then just comment for part 2. Then we will upload the part 2 very soon.